All right, this is YOLO Hour. Waiting on YouTube here to tell me that I'm on. You have this is we're sponsored by StockTrade.tips. YOLO Hour is where we trade, where we basically chase the markets. We chase rockets, though, big green parabolic candles. That's what we're looking for in the last hour. And with that, we're going to go to work and we'll talk you through it. If you've never been here before, you're going to love it. That's the Twitter page. Let's see what the markets are doing just real quick. They are grinding up. We'd love to see this, so we should have a few good rockets today. So what I do is I do use a little Robinhood here because it's easier to find the rockets, right? You can see that I really only use Robinhood for YOLO Hour and for a couple of options, just because I can do them on the run. Clearly, I'm not good in the options, though. But with that said, where I am good in is telling it like it is and moving things along. So that's what we will do. Let me get a little thing situated here. Nobody's joined yet. Trying to find a chat. Not sure where my chat's gone to. There it is. You can ask me anything. AMA. I had someone ask me yesterday, why don't I do a super chat? Well, because my channel's not monetized, because I built my channel through shorts, and yeah, YouTube doesn't monetize. So with that, we're gonna hit the casino that we like to call the stock market and see if we can find some rockets. ENVB, which we have a long position in, is up, and we are now moving. So we're seeing a real mix. We are seeing some stocks grind up, which is good to see. We're seeing some stocks grind down as well, which you always see on days like this. Now remember, we have just gone positive in the NASDAQ, and typically we trade the small to mid cap stocks. SGLB looks like it tried to clear the tower and did not work. That's Sigma Labs. Let's go back to work. We're going to pull the penny stock lever and hit the penny slots, if you would. BOXL's grinding up. EVC's grinding up. You'll see a lot of good grinders now. NNB right now might be. This is not financial advice. Mercy, how are you, brother? Good to see you on here so early. If you see anything, let me know. Yesterday you were, I think you were about 3 for 4. So congrats on that, man. Glad you're here. Hey, if you guys are, Mercy, if you would mind, would you hit the like button? And so I've got to get this channel monetized if I'm going to continue to do this. We've been doing it for about 2 months, and I can't get the super chat up because I'm not monetized. So if you hit the like buttons for me as many times as y'all possibly can, that would be great. Looking at DMS here, guys. Nice grinder here is now started low, just grinding up 8%. That's DMS. You know what? Let's try some grinders today. You know, why not? Why don't we try some grinders today? All right, and until I see some rockets, we will. We're gonna try a little grind. Lulu is grinding up. It's an expensive stock, though. It's directionally sideways now, but it is bullish for the day. I was at 25 when I started, so I've jumped $3 really quick here, guys. Again, if you're joining, please hit the like buttons. I've got to get this channel monetized. That means I got to get more people into the chat so I can have a super chat, so I can make a little bit of coin while we do this. Looking at stocks, we do have a few grinders. ATXS had some good news today. It's been grinding all day. It's up 4%. VSCO, Victoria's Secret's up. It's grinding. Let's see if we find some others. Joby grinding hard, 8% up. We don't do a lot with them, so we may take a slight position with them as well and see them continue to grind up. Ives, what's up, brother? Hey, man, try to do the super chat. Can't do the super chat until the channel is monetized, even though that I have 6,000 subscribers-ish. Can't do the super chat until I'm monetized, and those were basically built through shorts. And guess what? YouTube doesn't monetize shorts. So I wrote them a note today. NBR grinding hard up. That's almost a rocket, guys. That's a hard grind. That thing was down 2%, now up 2%, 4%. It's like it's flipped the field and gone positive. Love to see it. Let's see if I can get down here a little bit further. If I'm missing some rockets, you guys call them out. Like I said, Mercy, you had some really good ones yesterday. Some of them got turned back, but I think that we made 3% on one of them. So again, guys, if you're joining at the very onset here, please click the like button. Smash it is what they say, so we can get some more people on here, so I can get this channel monetized. AEMD, look out. It has cleared the tower. It could run, and that is a meme stock, and it does. I don't know where they're getting that from. I'm gonna hold off on that one really quick, guys. I'm not getting good signals from it. We are up $2. We have SPY starting to run really quick. Just so you know, here's where we're at. The NASDAQ has gone positive. It is grinding up hard now. Dow's about to go positive, and the S&P is right on the cutting edge of going positive. We can now make some money today. I have not traded all day, so I'm looking forward to this. I hope you guys are too. Got a rocket. TCAT. It looks like it may have turned back. It has definitely cleared the tower. We may take a small position here so we can continue to watch TCAT. Takung Art. That is a Chinese play. As you know, I'm not real bullish on China, on any Chinese play right now. I almost think it's uninvestable. But for Power Hour, I'm all in. You got to be all in for Power. Even if you're only taking small positions. Again, this is not financial advice. I have to tell you that this is for entertainment purposes only. Hence, that's why it's called YOLO Hour. So good grinders here. Let me know if you guys want me to call out the grinders. I will. VRAR grinding up hard right now, going almost up. GPX grinding hard. This is it's not. It looks better than it is. It's only up 0.6% is all. We're gonna have fun here at the end, guys. This is gonna be really funny because we've got quadruple witching hour. Witching day is tomorrow, where all the options, the ETF options, the common stock options, and derivatives all are due on the 17th. So understand that. Typically on that day, on the quadruple witching days, the market does fall. So understand that. Typically, right? I know I said that word a lot. Look at ESPR grinding very hard. That's going to a rocket. We're in. I'm jumping in today. I'm going to see. I think that we'll see a lot of stocks start turning over, and maybe late in the YOLO hour. We're 8 minutes in, and we're moving. We've already got 4 positions. Are you in New York? I am not in New York. I am in Texas. Proud to be Texas, born and raised. I've been to New York a lot. Love New York. Don't love it as much right now. Not sure I could live there right now, but I do like visiting New York. Hell, I like to travel. All right, Workhorse has now gone positive. I know that's a big stock between you guys. My stomach's growling. SOS is diving down. What's up with that? I think that we need to jump on these stocks that are rocket. ATOS, which I've got options, is now up directionally bullish. We're having MRIN is now directionally bullish. Let's see if we can find some serious grinders. RETA looks like it's going parabolic. That's an expensive stock, guys, just so you know. Expensive stock. It's a $100 stock. We're going to jump on that one. That's RETA. Tried to get the Go Coco. You know what? I'm going to hold off because that's not. Let me see what I'm. ENVB. I'm only down 3 now. Looking good in that one. DMS is grinding, and TCAT we're up 1. Nice to see. Let me move down here to the bottom. You don't have Texas accent. Yeah, for sure, y'all. I watched a lot of good YouTube trading videos today. So I've got a lot of good advice. By the way, we had the mixed economic data that came out today. That's why the markets were down. This could have gone big. Pulmonex, lung, 320. We'll keep an eye on it. Got to move down here quick, guys. We had the mixed data. Here's the thing. The CPI rent index came out to only 2%. I don't know how that came out to 2%. If your rent hasn't gone up, you're in the right place. But let me tell you, Zillow did their CPI rent index, and you know what it was? 14%. So somebody's lying to you, and it's not me. It's probably not Zillow. By the way, Zillow did 100,000 homes. All the government does is $32,000 homes. So ADVM grinding, guys. You gotta love this one. We're gonna jump on a nice position there. We're gonna YOLO into that position. I like the grind there. Looks like we are. Why is Go Coco not grinding? The one thing, the big stock that I need to grind from yesterday is not grinding. Joby's still grinding hard. MXL, which I sold it this morning because it was down like 7. Is now grinding and now positive. Damn it. So dims the brakes. Pico grinding hard, only up 1%, but looks like it's grinding hard on the chart. ANIX has just gone positive. That's a big meme stock for most of you guys. Where's some rockets? ADVM is the one that we just jumped on. That's a rocket. SCYX ANIC did not clear the tower. We'll continue to watch that one though. If ANIC is around, I don't think he is right now. But if you are, you better jump in the chat and let me know so I can call out your stock, because I know most of the stocks that you have. And stay long on Amazon, $4,700 price target there. Again, if you're listening to me, please smash the like button. I've got to get this channel monetized, and apparently shorts don't get monetized. I'm sorry I keep saying that, but I've got to get this. Oh, look at the ARCs, all grinding up, all positive territory now. Nice to see that for your long-term health of your portfolio. All right, we're at the bottom here. CERS is grinding. We are going to find some really good rockets here. We found a couple. Look at ARC. It looks like the ARC stocks, the ARC ETFs want to roll, but we know they won't go full-fledged. RETA we're in. FOMO. Jump on it real quick. It's an ETF though. I can't bring myself to that one even on days like this. I'm gonna hold on to GoCo for a little bit. You guys seen anything? AADI is about to go positive and could clear the tower. AADI, that was an insider trade, is where we picked that stock up from. All right, I'm gonna go a little slower in the casino here. As we spin the wheel again, trying to get snake eyes, if you will. Talk to some guys about the wash trading rules in crypto. As you know, the Dems are trying to do away with that to pay for their tax package. Oh, by the way, if you saw Biden, the very first part of what he said, and I am split down the middle, is he's a lot like they're going to control inflation. They're inflating everything. 3.5 trillion. That is printing money, is going to inflate everything. CODX, guys, it's turned back right now. Let's keep it. Nope. I'm taking a position in CODX. That's Code Diagnostics, clearly a medical tech. Nice. That's a good one. I think I'm long in that stock in one of my long-term portfolios, actually. So TCAT is turned down. We'll continue to hold that one. GoCo to continue to. I cannot believe it's not turned up. RKLB looks like it's on a rocket ship. We're on it. Rocket Labs, we have seen them twice this week already. So we'll see if it turns back, which it has before. Need to do a little risk management cleanup here. I'm getting a lot of slippage though, which is, as you know, that's just Robinhood. By the way, if you're looking at crypto, and that's where you're going to get a lot of alpha at. Stocks that are breaking, the stocks, they are like stocks. The coins that are breaking out, the ones you probably want to get long on, right, are DOT, that is Polkadot, Sushi Swap, right? You want to get long on that one. I really like that one. And then AVAX, it is run up about 150%, but it is, I am still long in that. I have not traded out of that. So that's DOT, Sushi, and AVAX. That is your crypto moment. I do like Luna, and you have to keep your eye on AR. AR has a connection to Solana that's really run up. Prog. Let's go PROG. Progenity. Yes, nice one. Taking a position. I like it. Progenity. They have good volume too. Just turned back slightly. That may be a slight pullback. Let's hope that's the case. I'm gonna go one more here. Take that pullback. Yep. I think this has got 18. This averages 18 million. So that could be a FOMO stock as well. I'm gonna jump in that. Codex TCAT is completely pivoted back, has pulled back. If you're in that one, I'm selling that one. We've got to get out of that. Can't have that kind of pullback and make money. I can't tell if I'm really making money or not because my SPY is going crazy over here. Up $54, was down 21. That's a $70 change. Just trying out different strats. So let's keep going here. Shiba or S. You're talking about Shiba Inu. There, yeah. You're talking about, yeah. So the thing with Shiba is I've got a position that is a if you're talking about Shiba Inu, INU, it is a binary position. You're either going to get rich, probably not, but it could. And then, we just had something go the wrong way. Or you're going to lose your money. That's exactly how I went into Doge. So just letting you know, that's how I went into Doge, and it paid off. Now, but it didn't pay off for 4 years. So I put 150 in, guys. I'm going to let you know I got five figures back. So, but I was fully prepared to lose the 150, right? Which is what you got to do. What just pulled back on me so hard? Is it? Not sure what. If you guys got any more, let's keep it rolling. SKYT looks like I think it's going to go. I'm going to go a little bit smaller, or a real small position with these wash trade rules, because Skywater was just last week. Let me look at what I've got at the top here. Joby going the wrong way play. I need these guys so here's what CODX has pulled back on me. Need to jump out of that. Got to keep my risk management hard here. I know it's YOLO, but come on, GoCo, what are you doing to me? How are you going the wrong way in Power Hour? Let me sell. What have I got? Freaking. Let me just sell it all. Fuck it. Screw it. Sorry about the little language. I hate losing money on stupid shit stocks. So, all right. Moving here. RKLB looks like it's pulled back on me, but I'm not going to check on it yet. I'm going to give that a little bit more time. CRXT cannot clear the tower, so we are going to continue to move. Let's try to get down here to the bottom. I'm counting on Mercy. I'm counting on you to find me a few too. Need water. I actually drank coffee before I jumped on it, which is never good because I'm dehydrated and it's tough to talk with coffee in your throat. All right, XCUR hard grind. CODX is still turned back on us. I'm glad we got out. APRE looks like it tried to go parabolic with the big green candle and could not do it. It's pulled back. Spinning the casino wheel again. Piece of paper off the ground that I need from. I've got a meeting right after this, guys. So that's why I had to jump on that one. Donut, DNUT, which we know is Krispy Kreme, up 6%. Still, it's been grinding all day though. So still looking at some grinders. Don't DNUT has been a great stock for the last 2 weeks. What's up, Jim? Good to see you. Made it for YOLO Hour. Congratulations, you're here. Hit that like button for me because I found out that my shorts don't count towards monetization. Our RVP going hard. I'm in. Going really hard. If that's not going to turn, that is one that's got to turn into a rocket. I'm almost going to bet that it would. All right, so looking hard here. We've got a lot of stocks, as you know, guys, that are turning up. I think the CPI rent data today was just completely off. I don't know if they're trying to fudge those numbers or what. I don't trust the government. I didn't trust it 2 years ago. I don't trust it now. I didn't trust it 10 years ago. So there you go. I think they're like everybody else in corporate America, and they just try to cover their ass, right? CYA, man. And so, and what they'll do is they'll come back a month from now, 2 months from now, when nobody even remembers what it did to the market, and they'll basically, we made a mistake. It was actually 14%, which is what Zillow said. So, all right. What else am I talking about today as we go? PIRS is grinding, guys. That's a good grind, too. That's up 4%. MSOS, boy, it's an ETF, though. What's it got? That's an ETF, guys. Is that going to turn into a rocket? That'd be the first. I've never seen an ETF go rocket style. If you see an ETF go rocket style, please send me an email. It's Mark, MARC, at swstrata.com. I'm not kidding you. I've never seen an ETF go parabolic. I'm sure it's happened. I've just never personally seen it. Especially when I go through charts at the end of the day. But by the way, I got the idea for Power Hour, now YOLO Hour, a year ago. Should have started it then, but I got it from just seeing what happens in the first trading hour of the day, and then just basically reading more and saying that the same thing happens at the end of the day for a lot of stocks. So because they either want to end or on a high, or somebody knows something, right? So now what we experience is we'll see rollovers as well and pullbacks, but that's okay because you want to take a little money off the table. ATOS is still up and positive, but it's down for me. Not seeing anything, nothing on the chat. Let's go. Let's get us some players. We got to find something here. IBRX is just gone positive and grinding up. It did a pullback down to negative territory, and now it's positive up 1.5, so it's grinding hard as well. Looking at Palantir is up 5% and protecting those gains. ARCs are moving up. It's good for everybody, like I said before. Going down here, I'm seeing some turnover now, so watch yourself. I mean, you can kind of see it here. Like, we've turned, my little patch of heaven here is turned over, and those things happen. Whatever. DMY, typing with one hand. Let's go. Oh man, where have you been? Need this one. Mercy. I'm gonna add that to the list too. Thank you very much. Let's go. Let's see what we got. So that started at 2 o'clock. It's gone almost 4% since in 24 minutes. I bet that continues. Let's do a little. Joby's turned down on me. It's probably a natural pullback, but that's okay. It's not going to be a rocket. Doesn't look like. And VRCA is rocketing. Well, it hadn't cleared the tower, but it's one that I hold now. PROG has directionally pivoted and pulled back. I'm out of that stock now as well. Moving. Got to keep this thing moving, playa. Let me see if there's anything else screwing me here besides my own long-term stupid stocks I'm in. Watch SPSC. It's a very expensive stock. It wants to clear the tower, so I'm not going to jump into that unless it clears the tower, even if I'm taking a fractional position. So, what else we hear today? Jerome Powell has basically told the Fed presidents in each city, I think there's 13 of them, hey, you can't trade stocks. Get out of your stocks. It is as we all know, it is a conflict of interest. Just like all members of Congress should not be able to trade freaking stocks, and especially Pelosi trading options on Amazon and Tesla, making millions. Must be nice to know what the hell is going to happen with the markets. What are we doing? DMY was a good one. If you're in LXU, it is falling hard. Get out of LXU if you want to take some profits there. AEMD. We were in this just before. Why not? This thing, let's see what it can do. RVP is going the wrong way. I'm out of that one. That might be a natural pullback though, but got to do what I got to do. Got to cut. All right, let me move quick through here. RKLB looks like it's still still in semi-rocket mode. By the way, congratulations to SpaceX last night. Watched the whole thing. It was phenomenal. Just four normal people orbiting the Earth. Can't beat that. It's great. By the way, the Evergrande scandal over in China, they have $300 billion of exposure to real estate. They can't pay their bonds. They can't pay their people. They've laid people off. Watch that, guys, because that could become systemic, right? If I'm saying that right. Which means that could affect here. BODY is a bad boy today. What is up? I'll take a little piece of that. Now, I bet that. Now, the thing about that is you're up 14% here on a bad day. That just did. Oh, wow. That may have found a bottom, guys. We will find out shortly. That's the Beachbody company. We've traded it before. I'm liking all this green that I'm seeing. Loving all this green that I'm seeing. Let me turn down the phone, guys. Sorry about that. Got a business to run here. You know how that goes. What I miss? Any rockets? Yeah, you missed a few. When I get back up to the top. Oh, what was that one? KDNY had a rocket and then was turned back. We are seeing stocks grind up. CRCT. We had a big insider buy, big hedge fund buy from CRCT. It is grinding up now at 2%, 2.5% up. A lot of good grinders. IGC is grinding. Even some of the red stocks are really going sideways or grinding up. DNUT has got to be you know what, guys? That's going to be a long-term investment for me. DNUT, which we all know is Krispy Kreme, but the first time it went public, it failed. ESPR still grinding hard. We have a position there. ESPR. Let's see what else we got here. We're moving through here fairly quickly. By the way, I was wrong on the number of tickers. Did y'all know there's 11,000 tickers now? 11,000 tickers. AVRRL. Here we go. Let's go. Got us a rocket. That thing should turn up quick. And that one's got really good. ENVB is just gone the wrong way. You're up, buddy. So what is getting me right now is DMY. Did the pivot and pullback. It was a good idea. I wish we had got on that one sooner. It's my fault. I did not have that in my stocks to watch. I do now, so we won't miss it next time. SPY must be falling because, yeah, the market tail is coming down now. It's grinded up. It's gone positive, and now we are in a little bit of a sell-off because people know what's coming tomorrow. We all know that it could be a very, very bad day with the quadruple witching day. So that is all options. That's common That's in individual options, ETFs. There's one more, VRCA. This is the one that's got in VRCA, the one that has the FDUFA date coming up. I'm pretty sure it is. So we're going to hold on to it. In fact, actually, let's see this chart real quick. What a wild ass chart that is. Like, it's just swerving all over. Look at this. It's swerving all over the damn road. I don't know if I might jump in there a little bit. We'll just keep an eye on it, although I've already got a position. Let's see. Let's keep moving here. ABRO did not get got a lot of slippage on that one. Body's my best one. It's grinding up 2. Just so y'all know, I am taking some flyers on some grinders today. So if you see some good grinders, let me know. I'm seeing some great grinders, but can't take positions in them all. ASND has gone positive now and is directionally bullish. Still spinning the casino wheel here. See if BNTX, expensive stock, grinding, IGC grinding. CODX is still grinding as well, but we jumped out of that position. There's a lot of good stocks grinding up. Boy, if you're trading, now's the time. So if you're trading in and out of stocks with big positions, now would probably be the time. This is not financial advice though, but if I were literally trading, let's say 5, 10, 15, 20,000 shares, right now might be it, because you get a lot of good grinders that are directionally bullish, and that's what you like to see. Body for sure, AVRO for sure, which we have positions in, and MSOS. Didn't take a position in this one yesterday. No, that's the ETF. Damn it. That's that damn ETF. Let me roll there quick. Guys. Pull the lever of the penny slot and let's go to work, players. We need to make a little money today. I've done a pivot and now I am looking like I could be directionally bullish. We'll see if it holds though. But that has more to do with the SPY. Prague at $1 million volume in 10 minutes. Yep. That does not surprise me right now. There's a lot of movement right now. This is the most movement that we've had all day, guys. Just so you know, I've been watching enough to know that this is the most movement, the most volume coming in right. I guarantee, without even looking, I bet you we have the most volume coming in all day right now. So KNSA just went positive. Not seeing. I'm seeing some good grinders though that I really want to jump in there with big time, but it's Robinhood. You know, you're going to get slippage. BL, can it clear the tower? It is, what is that? 1042. Let me just watch it. Let me just watch BLDE, Blade. Got the air mobility, if you know what I mean. Got some slippage there. AVRO is falling. AMD has fallen. Yeah, that one's not going to be a rocket, but that's a good meme stock. If you don't know, AEMD is one to watch because it's got a small float, and I believe it's got high short interest on it as well. You can see it on Finviz or on Yahoo Finance. VRCK has gone back. I need to hold it just for a little while though. DMS has not. Playa, what's going on with DMS? Going the wrong way. I mean, he fumbled the ball. Lord of mercy. All right, let's make a look. I was making, now I'm about even on the day. RKLB looks like it's still directionally almost parabolic. We'll see if we can find some more of these parabolic rockets now as we move through here. Yeah, I'm seeing a lot of just really decent movement here. This is interesting. Not seeing the sell-off yet. I am seeing the hooks though a little bit. So might be that a sell-off is coming. Now your red stocks, that's not, or your stocks that are negative for the day, the intraday. Not seeing a big sell-off there. And some APRE is still pumping. It's a good. That's a good grind. Actually, I may hit one of them. I'm gonna hit that. Hit that, and we'll keep on moving here. I've got some what's going on in the chat here. Blue line's major support. James is talking to Anik. What am I missing? All right, for spot him. He's doing the TA on SPY for us in the stocktrade.tips Telegram channel. It's free to join. Just jump in and add what you know. IGC. Why not? Dollar stock. It's not gonna hurt. And we are pushing. Let's push here, guys. I need to get that. Whoa, what was that one? We are RKLB. We already have, but yeah, 11,000 tickers. Now I'm pretty sure that includes. That's got to include the OTC guys. So just so you know, we talked about AMC really quick. Not just going to accept Bitcoin, but going to accept. Here we go. Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. How they came up with Bitcoin Cash, I have no idea. Or Litecoin, I have no idea for the most part. Bitcoin Cash, I can kind of see, but that's 4. So it's definitely taking crypto. That's AMC, everybody's favorite. AMC, LLNY. Let's go. LLNW, excuse me. Limelight Networks. It has turned back. Let's see what kind of volume we're looking at. Great volume. I'm gonna add that to the list for sure. Let's see what it does here. It's definitely clear. It's gone positive, and people wanted. It's up 1%. You know what? Let me just keep an eye on that one. I need to go back to the top to look and see what damage is being done. It's mostly my options, of course. BODY continues to grind, although it's pulled back a little bit. APRE. I'm going to continue on with these guys. I don't see anything. There's no reason to actually sell anything right now. I'm not being hurt badly. ASTS is grinding, guys. FLYW, FlyW is grinding hard. Looks, and it has not even remotely looking to sell off. ASND's the exact same way. Let's see here. What do we got? Joby is selling off now. XBio has got to clear the tower, but it is now in positive territory. If you have XBio, if you're long XBio, which a lot of people are, because that was a Reddit stock for a long time. Not sure where it went, but it does have the high short, and it is a biotech. Remember, you're going to find man. Let me look at this chart on this, guys. First of all, it's turning up, so let me just take a position. Maybe a position, not a hold, but I bet this sells off. Anyway, it looks directionally bearish. Sideways for the month. So it goes public July 1st, and we are directionally bearish. It's only up 1. Why is it that we always, it was pumping September 8th, 9th, and now it's pumping today. So something is going on with Krispy Kreme. I'm not sure what that is, but I will find out after hours for sure. AVRO, that's normal. We'll keep the AVRO. The ENVB is long term. APRE is pulling hard back. Did the pivot and the pullback. Son of a bitch. So that's the way we got to roll. Got to keep it going here. A couple of good like startups you might want to work for, where you get good perks, good options, and good salary. Zapier is number 1. Number 2, Autoril. It's spelled A-U-D, I believe A-U-D-E-R-I-L. It's a government work but they're killing it, and they've got a lot of positions, and you can get in there with some options. So make a few mil on the options as you work for them. So if you're looking for a job, the third one would be, I believe, I wrote it down a little bit. I want to say Figma or Ligma, Ligma or Figma, one of the two. Those are the top three. I just saw it on Bloomberg. I'm sure there would be a lot more competition. No, I did not. I saw that that was a tweet, actual tweet that I went and looked at the companies, and they were good ones. So Zapier and Autoreal are the two top ones, if you wanted to know. RKLB, glad I got in 1 minute ago. RKLB, is it? We were just in the damn thing. Did it? Yep, let's go. We're still, we actually have a position, but we're not adding to it. We're at 5%. Nice. Good. It's still going. You know what? I'm going to add, come on. Keep. Now, Rocket Lab, I'm pretty sure it's got the volume, if I remember correctly, at 10 mil. 10 million shares a day are added, still going up, and we're still buying. So let's see if this is YOLO Hour. Let's see if I can make a little money off of this thing. All right, now this is one we're going to have to watch. All right, so we're up. Well, my shares still haven't settled. BRCA, you're not going to, I'm done with you. I can't have that. If you're going to do it, grind up for me. All right, let me see. AVRO. Am I holding on to that one too long? IGC, I'm definitely holding on to way too long. That was a bad move. It just does not have the volume to completely turn up, and now it's turned over, and now we just lost. DNUT was a slippage issue. LLNW is directionally, it's just pivoted to the pullback. Yeah, RKLB, let's see where we're all. Yep, still, so we got at 5%. I bought, and I continued to buy, and so it only it doesn't look very good, but I'm probably up on those first couple of shares. I'm probably up 4 to 5%. So that continues to climb. Let's look at this one continuing to climb. I'm sure the volume's coming in, and now when this thing, here's the thing: when this thing pulls back, it's going to pull back hard, right? So we want to make our little piece of the pie here and get out while the getting's good. So understand that. Sky T still grinding, guys. That's been a good one for me. I'm up almost 2% there. I'm gonna run through these stocks again. We're at about 17 minutes till we are till the bell. Excuse me. As I roll through here, what else am I seeing? Sky T's right there. I'm seeing, all right, so we're starting to see a lot of turnover. Let's see what we're doing here. Looks like we're just moving sideways. The NASDAQ is up. Looks like we have almost all the indices are almost positive and are moving sideways. So that's probably what most of the stocks are doing. Although I am seeing a lot turn over, as we often do after things have run up. By the way, I'm not sure if you guys are big Jeopardy fans, but if you are, so they have it's Ken Jennings is going to split time with the girl, the woman, if you would, off of The Big Bang. Her name's, I'm going to pronounce it, Malum Balik is her name. Was she Punky Brewster too? I don't know. Anyway, so there you go. Ken Jennings is going to get his shot. Smart man. He's going to take over the hosting duties. Also, as we're looking here really quick, Lucid. If you did not know, Lucid has beat Tesla. The all-electric Lucid Air just received the EPA's range rating of 520 miles. It beats Tesla by almost 100 miles per charge. Pretty interesting. So you could get long Lucid here, right? It's probably a sell the news type of deal, but once it dips, that may be a good stock. But AHPI, look out, here we go. I'm in. Are you with me, players? We need to get ours today for sure. Let me see what's going on. Body, we're still up. DNUT has gone the wrong way. I'm looking solid here. Rocket Labs is up. That's huge. Nice. Mercy, you're earning some money. Mercy, how many shares did you take? How many shares did you take, man? I love to congratulate you guys on here. Because where's Joseph today? Joseph, Ives, are you playing still? You in this? Joseph should be in here. Shout out to Joseph. Shout out to Mercy. Jim. I know Jim's playing, but he has to hop in and out. He's got a real job, so I understand. APRE has turned back. It looks like it could be turning over. Matt, a favorite on the channel, is turning over. So if you've got Matt only 10, it's okay because we got in at the right time. Did you get in when I first got in, or when you told me about it? Men on TV beating up women and called it MMA. Yeah, I don't know if I want to touch that one. I mean, I've got a lot of opinions there, but happens, you know. MMA. I love MMA. You know what? I actually listen to Rogan. Rogan makes a lot of sense. Like he's to the left. There's no doubt. But as far as the common sense meter goes, he's about as common sense as it gets. Look at CERE, guys. Let's hope. I'm going to jump in that one. I hope it does not turn over, which it probably will because it's been negative all day. But he's like common sense, right? So some of the wackos he has on there, he at least tries to. He doesn't lob softballs. He's easy to talk to. I'm sure you guys have listened to him as well. But I like the dude, right? And the whole thing of him getting COVID and then people getting pissed that he didn't get more sick. What the F is that about? You don't want people to get sick. If you smoke, you're going to get sick at some point, right? You know, if you don't get vaxxed, you're probably going to get sick at some point. But I'm not going to cheer you, dying. I mean, no, that's ridiculous. If you want to swim with sharks, swim with the sharks. If you get bit, I'm not going to cheer that, hey, you might die. That's the dumbest, that's idiotic. You know what? That's America right now. All right, send me SCEMI. Dang, did we miss a rocket here? A little bit of a one. Let's turn back. And we're getting late here. We got 12 minutes to the bell. I'm liking what I'm seeing here, guys. I really am. I hate to get rid of the Krispy Kreme, but I am. Got that glaze all over my face on that one. Damn. All right. BLDE is pulling back. It's not gonna be a rocket. We're selling that one. Not the worst trade though. That was a good shot. I mean, in YOLO, you gotta take the chances. ADVM. Oh, we'll see what it does here. Still, and again, this is Robinhood that I'm using. It's not the best charts. AHP is directionally, looks like it's got a hard on. So does Rocket Labs has pulled back a little bit. Should we take profits here? I think I will. Mercy, if you're got the balls of steel, do not take profits like I did. I think I made like 30 cents, 24 cents, and hadn't even sold it yet. So I'm going to get massive slippage there. But body's looking good. CERE, I got slippage here, but it's still directionally bullish. Going to move through the stocks here, see if we can find some more. This has been a fun day, man. A really, really kick-ass day. But I am seeing some turnover here, guys. So if you are in stocks, you might want to be looking at your portfolio and saying, maybe I get out of this. Because look, guys, it's going to be a risk-off day tomorrow. Risk-off means risk-on. It's going to be a risk-off day. That means that it could potentially be a red day. It typically is a red day on the quadruple witching days, right? Those are very rare. I believe that there's only 4 months that happens in. Which would make sense, right? But here we go. CERE looks like it's still moving, or it's at least grinding up. SNOW, Snowflake, is grinding up. So there's some that are still grinding here. TWK, then we had TWKX, TWKS yesterday. ThoughtWorks, yep, that's a good one. It did not clear the tower, got turned back, which is what happened to it yesterday. But this is why it's on our list, because it took off yesterday. That could be a good stock. I believe it just went public though, right? Yeah. It went public on, let's see, September 15th. So literally yesterday. Let's move in. We're moving. ADMV is going directly sideways. I'm pulling out of that one. Pulling out of that stock. Pulling out. You always got to pull out, boys. All right. What else? Jim Cooper, I've gone 6,000 to 21,000 just over a year. Can't wait till one day trade 4 more to go. Yep. 4K, brother. That's all you need. And then you can YOLO all you want. Atil, what's up, brother? Good to have you guys on here. I hate to say this, guys, because I know you hear it a lot. Please hit the like button. I do not make, or I cannot monetize the channel with shorts. I can't get a super chat going. So I need the likes so that people see it and will watch it more, even when we go off of the air here. So even in after hours. Here's a grinder. KERN has now gone positive and grinded up. It's a $3 stock. KERN, wasn't that earlier in the year? I believe that was a good Reddit stock. KERN, if I remember correctly. All right, guys, I am seeing the sell-off happen. Let me make sure. Yep, there's your S&P and your Dow, and your NASDAQ is still positive, but directionally sideways. We'll continue on here, but I am seeing stocks sell off. The ones that are green, ORGO let's go ORGO, Organogenesis. Let me pronounce that right. Organogenesis. We found this through a insider. That's why it's on there. CERE. I just don't think it's going to do anything for me. And we've got 8 minutes to the bell, guys. 8 minutes to the bell. We've got KURL is what I'm being told. KURL by Mercy. There it is. 10 minutes till we see rockets. It's unbelievable. 2 o'clock, 2:30, and 10 minutes till. And boom, that's exactly what that one was. Let me do a little cleanup here. The body is completely, it's turning over, which is what most stocks are doing. People are taking profits. You cannot blame them for that. I do not blame them. In fact, when I lose money that way, I know it's probably going to a good cause. It means that the good traders are taking profits. Again, overnight risk tonight, guys. I don't know if I would take it. This is not financial advice, but I don't know if I would take overnight risk, especially with stocks that I do not know, especially with stocks in YOLO Hour that I have not researched. So that being said, you will see me sell almost everything tonight unless I know the stock very, very well. Rocket Labs looks like it's turned back now, guys, just so you know, just so if you're in that one. Bros, let's look at BROS. Love the ticker. What's up? Nice grinder. That's a very good grinder. It has not turned into a rocket. What does Dutch Brothers do? Emerging growth company engaged in management of coffee shops. Interesting. You know what? There's a coffee shop that I think that if I were to open another restaurant, it would probably be a coffee shop / bar, but you would have like your own, like, it'd be like we work except with coffee, right? To where 4 people could go in like a plexiglass type of office. You might have 5 or 6 of those. Then you might have some couches. That's the way that I would do it. So think of like Central Perk except with the plexiglass offices like WeWork's got. CRMT is now grinding as well. It's gone. It is directionally bullish. The turnover here, guys, is happening. It's a thing. It's really XSpot moving up. XSpot was one we found through insiders as well, and that is the franchisor of essentially spa services. If you did not know, Bros just went public. Awesome. The Dutch Brothers. Dutch, what's up? wasn't that who was that? Wasn't that, did Matthew McConaughey play Dutch on one of those Christmas bullshit movies we have to watch? All right. Oh, look at VR AR. What is up, playa? It looked like it was turning up there. It's got turned back though. Let me move to here really quickly. We got 5 till the bell, guys. 5 till the bell. Be looking at your positions. If I see any rockets, I'll call them out. But be looking at your positions and closing out or adding to. Cannot tell you which. I will tell you tomorrow again. Typically, it is a bad day because people drop them and they sell them, right? Robinhood, we came to find out Robinhood I think they sell right at either an hour before or right at the end of day. So if James were on here, he could tell you because we researched it about 2 weeks ago. So black and white Russian coffee with the oh, nice. Really interesting. I like the concept just from what you just said there. I like the ticker even better, bros. What's up? Players, we got to. All right, I'm gonna call it the grinders too. CTXR. If you guys want to jump in the grind, we've got a lot here. So still grinding. EYES looks like it's still grinding. ATOS it's directly sideways. If you would, BLIN is directly sideways. SNCR directly sideways. RETA, which we're in, is grinding up still. It's a slow grind though. SP, oh, how did we miss this one? At the 50, at 250 up, it went 7 up, just like that. Boom. We missed it though. We got 3 minutes till the closing bell. And what's treating us good? SKYT should up 1 there, up 1.5. AHPI up 1 there. I'm gonna start grabbing profits, even though I probably should wait a little while longer. I'm gonna grab a few profits here, but again, guys, I'm just grabbing profits on a couple cents, right? But it's all about the percentage. So that was 2%. So that's 4% that I've grabbed today in just power hour alone. The rocket one, I can't. It's tough to look at that one, but I bet that was 2 or 3% as we added to that position. ESPR continue to grind. I mean, that is the definition of a grinder. It looks like it's about to sell off though. That's up 2%. We will sell all of that one, and we appreciate the Esperion Therapeutics today. We appreciate them. Camber CEI. I look at that sell off. I mean, you just got to love this. I mean, that is a great, like in a month, 360%. It is directionally bullish. So I think that you got to get behind. If I'm in CEI right now, I'm gonna let you know that on a different platform. It's just directionally very, very bullish, and until it has a tremendous drop, which it probably will, because anything that goes up that fast probably will. I'm gonna roll. I'm rolling with CEI. Plus every energy play is it seems like a good play from where I sit, right? I'm gonna let you guys know that. That's how I see energy right now, whether it's wind, solar, or the ONG stocks. That is oil and gas, if you guys did not know. And clearly, if crude is up, and crude was up, I believe it hit 72 this morning. It may have gone to 73. By the way, UK's got a problem with natural gas. So natural gas stocks are going to be up, which is typically your oil and gas stocks, right? Natural gas is going to be up. They had a big transmission type line bust, and I want to say that natural gas spiked over in the UK 50% midday today, and we just went there. There was the closing bell, and I just closed out all my positions. I will tell you this before you guys leave. We are in SPY. I am long Cisco. I'm long Cisco till January. Price target is 72. Letting you know that. I've got an option on that. And let's look at SPY just really quick. Again, this is the daily chart. Now look, if you look right here, I'm going to pump up the, if you guys can see this, right? So it defeated the trend line, which it's done before. It did it back in mid-July, and it did it in March a couple times. So it's done this before. It's going to pull back up. I would, if I'm looking at options here, I'm looking at 450 for sure, and I'm looking at it, the all-time high at 453. And then if you want the cheap options, you could probably get into 455 and 456, 457-ish, right? That is where it's going to hit and bounce off. I mean, this is the perfect chart for that. I mean, it rode it, bounced down, bounced back up. I mean, so it's done this 12 times going back to January. So understand that's why people on Reddit are betting SPY. It's a good bet. I'll also put out, if you jump in the channel, you'll see the 2 to 100. Those are the stocks that are directionally bullish and are continue to hit all-time highs, and they all have charts that look a lot like this one. So look back up on the Telegram channel, stocktrade.tips, free, and you'll see it in green, and you'll see a list of stocks, and those are the ones that are directionally bullish. All right, SPY. And we had a big win today. If you did not know, last night we called Tuesday morning. Literally, it popped 28. Well, it popped 22% last time I saw it, and it went up to 28% at the end of the day there. So you got to get behind these insider stocks. Also, we also called Asana a couple days ago. It was up 7%. And look at why we called it. We called it right here at 91. It is now at 117. Alt G was one I was looking at today. It was up. Cisco. Asana. Is Asana the no? Where was the one that I got? It was ALKS was another one, and it was down today. So ALKS we called right as it bounced off the 20-day SMA, and it got just $2 here. So we're out of that. Well, I'm still in that position. I need to look at that. But this one, I hit big today. So with that being said, guys, really appreciate you guys coming on here. It is 3:03. So unless you guys have any Ask Me Anything questions, I'm happy to take them. If not, we got to do what we always do. You got to watch your six. You go hard to the paint, guys. We'll see you next time. I do want to say really quick, thanks to Mercy, Ives, Jim Cooper, thank you very much. Anik, thank you very much. James, thank you very much. Atil, thank you very, very much. There's Jim. Thanks, guys. Simi, love it. Or I might just call you Jack, Reverend Jack Camber. Thank you very much, guys. I really appreciate you guys jumping on here. Please hit the like button so tomorrow we'll have even more people and we can catch more rockets. It's good for everyone. With that being said, guys, watch your six, go hard to paint. We'll see you tomorrow.